This video shows you how to complete textbook 6-3, which is the foundation walls, which starts on page 615. So in this chapter, you're going to actually create basement walls and a floor. So first you want to switch to the foundation floor plan, which is over here under floor plans. You want to make sure you can see your first floor walls in this floor plan. If you cannot, come over here to your properties bar, find underlay, and make sure this is set to first floor. Okay? That allows you to see your first floor walls, because what we're going to do is we're going to simply trace our first floor walls so that we can create our basement foundation walls. So you want to go to wall. Wall type is going to be a foundation wall. There it is. We want 12-inch concrete. Setting should be finished face exterior. You want them to be chain. And this is the important part. Depth should be, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Depth right here should be top of footing. And now you simply draw clockwise and trace every corner you have here. You want to click on the exterior sides of the corners. And by clicking the outside of the corners, you will get the right wall facing. Now you want to come and do under the garage as well. Oops. You want to start down here so that you're still going clockwise. And I think I missed getting the outside of the wall. I'm going to go in and fix that. You won't have to do this if you click correctly. So now I have my basement walls. If you want to look at your 3D view, your walls should be going about that tall. I'm going to turn on color here. You will notice there's a gap in your house, and that's actually correct, so that's where your floor is going to go. I'm going to go back to my foundation floor plan. Remember, it's foundation and not basement. So now you have to create a new foundation wall type. You can click on this wall type. Actually, you're changing all three of these, so you might as well click all three at the same time. And all you're doing is simply making this a thinner wall. So I'm going to say edit type, duplicate. Now you're simply coming in here and changing this to 8 inches. And now you have it. That is thinner under the garage. The reason for that is this is going to be filled in with dirt, so it will support the weight of the car and does not need to be as thick because it's supported by the dirt inside. Okay, so we are now done with the basement walls, and you are going to now just, or I should say we're done with the exterior walls. You're now going to copy the interior walls from the first floor down to the basement. This isn't necessarily a common way to do your house, but it is what the textbook wants you to do just for simplicity. So you're going to draw from right to left. So notice I clicked in this right corner first, and I'm drawing across. Make sure you don't get this door up here, but you do want the opening, so make sure that you draw a box just like I do, and all those doors get highlighted. Right now we want to filter. We only want doors and walls. Actually, sorry, we only want walls. Okay. Now you're going to go to the basement floor plan. And this is where, did I not copy? I must not have hit copy. Let me go back there. Copy. There we go. Paste, and make sure you pick this align to current view. Now, the reason you get this warning is because your basement ceiling is not as tall as your first floor. So you want to close that out. And the top offset here says 6 inches. That means that the walls are going to extend 6 inches above the first floor line. So you want to come in here and change this to 0. Now you should be done. You can look at your 3D view. Hopefully you don't have those basement walls coming up through. You can see here that you have basically identical copies in the basement as you did in the first floor. You should still have those doors in there. And now you're done with 6